Over here at the Granada Project in the front yard because so many people have been sending me DMs about who did all of this landscaping. You know, landscaping is not something I typically do, but I did design this entire space. It's a lot of work and it's a little bit outside of my wheelhouse, but it's because I didn't have any great resources for landscaping design. However, in the process of all of this, I actually found out about System Pavers. So they're new to Phoenix, but they have locations all over the country, and they are absolutely leading the way with customized designs and personal designs for people's yards. It's not easy to really put an entire design together for a yard space and actually execute the whole thing to have it look like this and come together. But System Pavers is making it happen. Totally want to share this resource with you because I think they are absolutely fantastic.
It's a beautiful morning. I think I'll go outside for a while and just smile. Just taking some clean, fresh air for me. Staying inside. If the weather's fine and you got the time, it's your chance to wake up and plan another brand new day.
I am so excited to use System Pavers for my upcoming projects because they're all about value, design, quality, durability, and really creating spaces that bring people together, which living in Arizona, we are all about outdoor living. And the more you can maximize that, the more you can enjoy your own home. So definitely check them out. I'm gonna put a link right here for you. I am so excited about them. I know you will be too. So if you need to do any outdoor landscaping, designing in your life, they're the people to help you do it.